I wanted to do a small live demo because this is a fun one on our AI driven Clipart Studio and the ability to create art through AI. The main use case that we see here in Gelato Create is that people sometimes don't know how to get started. They get to the editor, they don't have any content there, and it's like, well, what do I want to order? So one powerful thing that we've seen uplift conversion rate is offer some content, offer trending content, offer seasonal content. So our Clip Art Studio makes it really easy to do that. So you see that we have a folder system here. Um, for example, Valentine's Day was about a month ago. So we have things like Valentine's Day bestsellers, love and romance, proposals, and engagement. Today is St. Patrick's Day. So I wanted to show you live, what it means to be able to generate SVG files for your editor. So for example, if you want to say St. Patrick's Day images in old Guinness style, this is something that's trending. And eventually we'll also be adding visibility on trends here, driven by AI. So it's not just around seasonal events and holidays, but you'll also be able to generate based on, for example, if Stranger Things is coming out, we've seen a spike in kind of nostalgia and certain eras that people want to generate images about. So let's just start with this. I'm giving it a very small prompt, and it will actually, as a first step, generate the AI prompts for me. So it'll give me some choices on how to then generate artwork further. So let's see how it comes here. So it sounds like there's a shamrock harp emblem, a stout pint shamrock, and a leprechaun barrel. So we can kind of read into these. This sounds pretty good. So I want to generate a SVG and see how this works out. I want something that's kind of like a vintage Guinness feel that I've seen popular on Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, that one's nice. And then I got one earlier that I liked as well. So this was more of like a kind of like a lucky stout pint that I can then add. So I just click that. I can save it to a category.